All right, how's it going, crypto people? Got a short informational one for you this week. Let's hop right into it. So today we have a story about Bitcoin, everyone's favorite top earning crypto, soaring right now. I believe we're actually at the all-time high, but I could be wrong about that. But for right now, let's talk about free Bitcoin, how you can enter Coinbase's sweepstakes, and how you can buy the cryptocurrency. So we have an article here letting us know that if you've been wanting to start your crypto journey, there's an ongoing contest that may give you some motivation. Coinbase is giving away up to $250,000 worth of Bitcoin, and you're going to be automatically entered once you create an account, and they give you links to go straight to Coinbase here. They'll be in the description as well. All the links, or some of the links in the description, can help the channel and benefit you as well, for no cost to you. Now, one winner will be awarded the grand prize of $250,000. 6 winners will be awarded $25,000, and 1,000 lucky winners will be awarded $100, all in Bitcoin. So even if you're one of the thousands that gets just $100, hey, it's $100 of free Bitcoin, and you can almost always count on that going up, especially in the long term. Now, winners for this contest will be announced around November 29th, so you still have plenty of time to sign up for that new account, or as we're going to look into, even if you already have an account, there's still a way that you can enter. You have basically the rest of this month to actually do that. Now, in addition to the contest, all new users will receive $5 worth of Bitcoin for free upon verification of your ID. So hey, if you're trying to get your foot into the crypto market on Coinbase, you're gonna get $5 worth of Bitcoin for free just for signing up. It's a pretty good deal. Now, this sweepstakes is available to all US residents except for Hawaii, DC, and US territories. Now, before I mentioned that you can actually do this even if you're not a new user. If you're like me, you already have a Coinbase account, you've been doing some trades here and there, there's still a way that you can enter, and that is by mail. Yes, good old-fashioned snail mail. Not what I was expecting either, but there you go. And it provides a link here. Again, this whole article will be in the description, where you can find a detailed how-to on postage, where exactly you're going to send this, what you have to write in order to sign up by mail to be part of this if you already have an account. Again, if you're a new user, all you have to do is sign up and you're in the account. You're in the running for the sweepstakes. So now it gives you a bit of data. 1 Bitcoin is currently worth over $63,000. I believe it's actually up to 66 at the time of this recording. And according to real-time data by CoinMarketCap, a great tracking website for crypto, its market capitalization is currently over $1.1 trillion. It's no surprise here. Bitcoin is, of course, the market leader for the crypto market. And the rest of the site, this article just gives you a brief overview of what is Bitcoin, how do you invest in Bitcoin, what is cryptocurrency, a bit beyond the scope of what we're talking about here. This is just more focused on how you can get free crypto. If you don't know anything about crypto, don't know what a Bitcoin is, then you might want to glance over the rest of this article, take a look at what they have to offer there. It can give you a bit more information. And that is our free Bitcoin news of the day. Next up, we have a story about Play to Earn, an NFT dragon game that will allow you to earn free NFTs. Those, of course, you can sell on NFT marketplaces for actual crypto, or sell for money, depending on the market and how it works. So let's dive into this one. NFT dragons. It's a phenomenon that Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, it's certainly not anticipated. There are going to be dragons on his blockchain. Lots of dragons, in fact. It is in the form of NFTs that these imaginary creatures will materialize within a unique ecosystem, the game DragonVerse. It gives you a picture of what the game's going to look like here. What is DragonVerse? It is a game at the crossroads of several different trends, namely of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, the emergence of the metaverse, the sort of NFT universe, cryptocurrencies, and of course, the gaming world. So this one is a vibrant new world in which future players of the game, which is not currently out, will have access, and you'll be able to make your own characters, these dragons here, and it will evolve in the depths of the Ethereum network. So DragonVerse can be played on mobile. Well, it will be able to be played on mobile, but also on your PCs, or Macs probably. And you'll have to fight your dragons alone or in teams. The goal will be for you to collect the greatest wealth of the kingdom, which is gold. So at the end of each fight, you're going to be rewarded with NFTs and tokens that will allow you to participate concretely in the game's ecosystem. And of course, the caption here is play to win money. Several of these games are out right now. We'll try to put out a video about that in the future, but you're going to be able to, it looks like, customize your dragons and then probably sell those on the marketplace, or use them to continue playing the game, whichever you value more. And then this gives you a bit of lore about the game if you're interested. I'll link this one in the description. You can go ahead and see what the game is all about. A lot of gamers are more interested in the lore aspects of the gameplay. Myself, I always care more about the gameplay than the deep lore, but to each their own. And then it gives you a schedule for their plans for this game. You have it right here. I actually have a blown up version on the next page. We can take a look. Phase 1, November 2021, the launch of the DragonVerse playable NFTs. Phase 2, they have Rockstar team hiring to skyrocket the project. Phase 3 is airdrop attacks and defenses boosters for all holders. Phase 4 is to launch the DragonVerse Play to Earn game, so you can expect this game to actually be released on mobile and computers in Q1 of 2022, which is approaching pretty fast. Now Phase 5 is going to be a percentage of trading fees redistributed to players in monthly in-game contests. And then the final phase is in-game token creation, private sale for holders. And this page I'm looking at now is just the actual website for the game, dragonverse.io. You can go ahead and take a look at all the different things they have here. They have lore, they have the roadmap for the game, a link to their Discord, and the play button here, which of course right now is disabled. The game's not going to be up and running until next year at the latest. And that is this game on my radar, the DragonVerse game coming soon, where you'll be able to earn these dragons here and then sell them for crypto or money. So that's one way you'll be able to earn that free crypto at no cost to you, potentially. Next up on the docket, we have everyone's favorite airdrop, creatively named airdrop website, airdropalert.com. I picked out a few good ones, the highest rating that we have this week, and let's hop right into it. So first off, we have Vestor Holdings airdrop. The Vestor Holdings airdrop is worth up to 200 MED2U tokens. And by completing their super simple tasks that we'll go over in a few minutes here, the Vestor Holdings provides blockchain-enabled technological solutions to help life-impacting innovators achieve greater success. Innovators can list and offer the world an early access to the solutions being developed, in turn, gaining the financial power required to complete the innovations and letting the product reach a global marketplace to offer pre-sales of innovations and access financing. Okay, so we all want to know how to join the Vestor Holdings airdrop. So the step-by-step guide is here. You're going to go to the Vestor Holdings airdrop form, linked here. All of these will be linked below. Join Vestor Holdings on the Telegram group and invite your friends. You get 25 tokens for that. Join Vestor Holdings on the Telegram channel and invite your friends. That's 25 for that one. Follow them on Twitter, retweet their latest tweets. Follow their second account, or follow their account on Facebook and share their latest post. You're going to follow Vestor Holdings on LinkedIn, share their latest post, follow them on Instagram, follow them on Medium, follow them on Reddit, and you're going to do the equivalent of sharing their latest post. Each of those is going to net you 25 tokens. Then the final step is to submit your MetaMask wallet address and details to the airdrop form right here. Also, as a bonus, airdrop holders will receive bonuses, little typo there, at 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months, so long as you are still in possession at that time. So that is our Vester Holdings airdrop. The next one I picked out here is the ADA Finance airdrop. ADA-Fi. The ADA Finance airdrop prize pool is worth $5,000 in ADA-Fi tokens, split between 100 lucky winners. Little about the token. ADA Finance is a cross-dual chain DeFi ecosystem with the focus to develop on both Cardano and Avalanche. The ADA-Fi ecosystem motivates both user activity and platform growth with innovative gamification. The passive earning opportunities go hand in hand with the token utility, which is used to enter the earning features. Read more about the innovational DeFi tools in the pitch deck, or visit adafinance.io, linked right here. And on to how you actually participate in the airdrop. Steps are listed here. So first off, like all of these, you're going to log into the ADA Finance airdrop page. Then you're going to follow ADA Finance on Twitter and retweet what I would assume to be their latest tweet, or perhaps their pinned tweet. Then join ADA Finance on Telegram, the group and the channel. Join their subreddit here. You're gonna follow them on LinkedIn, subscribe to their YouTube channel, complete more tasks in order to get the best chances to win 100 of the ADA-Fi tokens. Submit your MetaMask wallet address and details to the sweep widget page. And finally, the winners list will be shared in their Discord channel on December 10th. So you're going to have until December 10th to actually do these challenges and potentially win those tokens. And that is our ADA Finance airdrop. The final one I have here for you is the Punisher Cøin airdrop. Punisher Cøin airdrop is worth up to 5,000 billion, TAZ tokens by completing super simple tasks. 1,000 lucky winners will receive 5 billion TAZ, the first underground techno NFT token. Sounds pretty cool. Let's take a closer look. The Punisher Cøin is a new NFT token on the Binance Smart Chain to bring techno underground to crypto. Punisher Cøin's primary goal is to create collections of NFT fully inspired by underground techno community. The first step towards achieving that goal was to create the Punisher Cøin TAZ, an innovative reflection token that pays dividends to holders. Dividends is always good, basically passive crypto. Now, Punisher Cøin NFT collection has an ambition to highlight underground art of all shapes. The first release is about Mali designers whom decades put art into Mali creation. Now let's see how exactly we get these tokens. So the first step is to go to the Punisher Cøin airdrop form. You're gonna join them on Telegram, follow them on Twitter, like and retweet the airdrop tweet, and then you're going to submit your BSC wallet address and details to a form. And finally, they're going to organize an airdrop contest every month to reward TAZ holders. So you have that to look forward to as well. And that's it. That's all I have for you this week. Hopefully you found something useful. If you like anything that you saw here, go ahead and like and subscribe and continue coming back for more crypto news. I will talk to you next time.